Can you run a database in Back4App Containers? Hi, I'm Alex, the architect from Back4App, and this is Talking to the Architect. And today we'll be answering Glider Rodriguez's question. Glider asked, "This is exactly what I was looking for. Can I run a database in it?" Hi Glider, thank you so much for your question, and well, technically you can. As you compose your Docker file, you can install practically any software into the Back4App containers. But the thing is, the platform, at least at this point, is aimed to web-based applications. So if your application and web server runs into the same machine, you can access your database and host your data inside the same container. What you cannot do is install just the database in the container and try to access it from other containers or from outside of Back4App containers. You would have a specific web application accessing and exposing its port inside that container. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.